Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find and recover deleted Facebook Messenger messages. This is very important. A lot of people have a lot of mail, a lot of notifications, so sometimes they simply delete something that they shouldn't. First of all, let's click on the Messenger app itself. Next step, you want to click on the top left corner when you see the three straight lines. You click on them and then you click on the fourth option, which is archive. When you click on archive here, you will be able to find all the messages, comments, including from stories, from your friends, posts, something that you comment, something that you interact, something that you send, even messages that you removed from Facebook Marketplace. For example, somebody lists something that you want to buy, you had questions for, you message, you bought the item, or you simply didn't add more interest with it. You delete the message will be simply here. You can scroll down and you will find messages that are here since at least 2020, 2021. This is very important because in any case, if you simply had a communication that you deleted, and this communication should be here in the archive. If you had old communication, chat messages, comments that you did not delete, this simply will be on the history on the feed and it will not be in the archive. So if you guys looking for something over here, you can simply hold on the actual messages in the archive and restore the message back to the location where it appeared first. This means that if you comment something on Facebook Marketplace, by clicking restore, the comment will go back. If you comment on someone else's story, the comment will go back and reappear on the story itself. Chats and any other example of communication that you previously had and you deleted manually will appear here and will be able to be simply recovered from here. Subscribe and come back for more.